Mwandwe'n ffigio y Millicwr Cosby, mae lle fan hyn gan Craig Williams. Hart sy'n dod allan ato fe, Williams heibio i Hart, ergydion Ishel Bale yn rhydd. Mwandwe penderfynu lled iddi at Callum Roberts. Roberts yn erbyn Jake Phillips, Roberts. O, mae yna dacl hwyr yma, mae'n gic o'r smotyn i'r Drenewydd. Mae'r Fflint yn cwyno bod Phillips wedi cael y bêl. Ond mae'n mynd i fod yn gic o'r smotyn i'r Robinied. Mae yna gerdyn melyn fan hyn hefyd. Nath Callum Roberts ddewis i amser yn ofalus. Phillips mewn ar dacl ac yn ôl i Wan Arwel, cic o'r smotyn fyddi. A hynny i'r tîm cartre. Williams, y prif sgoriwr yn erbyn Rushton. A Williams yn sgorio reit yn y gornel. Y Drenewydd ar y blaen. 12 gol i Aaron Williams yn yr uwch gyngrair. Y Robinied ar y blaen. Phillips i dafliad hir tuag at Michael Wilde. O, cerdyn coch! Coch i Michael Wilde am Ben Elin. Mae'n benderfyniad sy'n syfrdanu pobl o gwmpas Parc Leddam am yr eildro y tymor hwn yn erbyn yr un gwrthwynebwyr. Mae Wilde yn gorfod gadael y ca. Yn wyllt gyda'i Ben Elin a'r Kieran Mills Evans. Mae dîmau lawr i 10 dyn ac ar ei holi o gol i ddim. A Millicwr Cosby, Walker! O, gol gampus i Jake Walker. Cynta o'r tymor. Jake Walker yn pwyso am yn ôl ac ar ei drod dde bollten i gornel ucha rwyd heibio i Rushton i ddyblu mantais y Robinied. Campus. Roberts, gwaith da amddiffynol gan y Fflint mlaen at Mark Cadwaladr yn dal y bêl i fyny'n dda. O, mae Jake Phillips yn hedfan fanna. Cadwaladr yn parhau i fynd, Jake Phillips ar lawr. Eisiau llyged ar Iwan Arwel yng nghefn i ben y prynhawn yma. Bratley y bas ymlaen, y Cadwaladr dim cam sefyll. A'r bêl oddi ar y linell gan y Drenewydd. Cyfle gorau'r ail hanner i'r Fflint.
I can't really have too many complaints with my players today. I think my players have been, executed certain areas of the game and certain parts of the game as well as I could have asked them to do. They were dealt a different sort of set of conditions today, and a number of ways that the game has taken shape and a number of things that have gone in the game has made it almost impossible for us to get results today. And sometimes when those factors work against you in the manner that they did, you have to dig in as much as you can and make the game as respectable as possible, because it's hard enough to play a good team like Newtown with 11 men when you're 1-0 down to a penalty and then you have a man sent off with 35 minutes to go. It becomes even more hard to go through that, and I just felt that a couple of the pivotal moments within the game probably conspired against us today, and I'll be interested to look at them back, because seeing them live I had a different opinion of the way that they were the decisions that were made.
A turning point of the game, of course, was Michael Wilde's red card. How do you see it?
Not very well, because I think when I'm sat over there, I've got no point. All I would say is that Kieran's got a broken nose, so that. But I'm unsure what's happened. He's caught him, or I don't know. But the referee was right on it and decided to show the red card. But I was pleased then how we responded after that, and we got a good grip of the game, and we kept the ball really well and didn't give them any opportunities, maybe bar one in the second half to counter us and break on us. So pleased with that, and we killed the game off when we needed to, and that that's another sign of what we're about this year. We're growing as a team. We've got some new players in, and they're just finding out about the league, and so really happy with that. And to get 3 points against a team as strong as Flint, that's important.
Would you say that you were overzealous with your protestations?
You're asking me that question?
Yeah.
If I was overzealous? Yeah. Oh, right, okay. Well, in the second half or the first half?
In both halves.
Oh, right, okay. Well, I think that what happened within the game was, for anybody who was there to watch it as a neutral would see that the game started off with a lot of screaming and shouting every time there was any contact in and around, or any time you went within any closeness of any players. The Newtown players screamed and shouted from the bench on the pitch as loud as they could, as often as they could, and found their way to the floor as quickly as possible. So I felt that didn't quite work both ways.
You know, we've had one bout of COVID this morning, which is unfortunate, but you know, hopefully we can get through that. I think whether it's something the league look at between now and Boxing Day or after Boxing Day, certainly, that, you know, with everything that's going on in the world at the moment, is it something that we look at putting a little firebreaker in the league? I don't know, but I think every team will suffer through it. Obviously, we've seen last night there was a game called off. I think both teams today have got players missing due to COVID and positive tests, so something we've got to be careful of. Obviously, with being a part-time, lads are, you know, some lads will be in work, some lads will be working from home, but you know, it's important that we try and minimise the risk.